but there's no snow yet. What is up, YouTube? Today we are out here with the man, the myth, the legend, Shane Singletary. How's everything going, Shane?
Great.
Awesome, awesome. So today we're just two local Chicago anglers, and we're out here on the Chicagoriver North Shore Channel, and we're just going to be throwing artificial lures, no live bait. Do not take the easy way out, guys. We're out here having some sport fishing fun, fishing with just artificial lures, and we're going to see if we can get some crappie, some panfish, and anything else willing to bite. Stay tuned for some solid action. Let's go.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
What's up?
Nothing. I just want to read you a little story real quick. It'll take like less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
This is the book of Daniel. He was the most honored of them all. In that year, 2 elders from the people were appointed as judges. Concerning them, as the Lord had said, iniquity came forth from Babylon.
Oh, yeah.
Were judges who were supposed to govern the people. These men were frequently at Joachim's house, and all.
There we are, guys. Beautiful, beautiful black crappie, Chicagoriver, going in for the release.
And which to bathe in the garden.
There you go.
No one sees us, and we are in love with you. So give your consent and lie with us. If you refuse, we will notify against you that a young man was
Nice
with
large
you.
mouth.
Largemouth leader right between the
And this was
Damn.
why you sent
Right in the
your maids
kisser.
away.
that weightless
Susanna
worm.
sighed deeply and said,
Nice
I am
fish.
hemmed in on every side.
Shane
For
Singletary
if I do
just
this
doing
thing,
what
it
he
is
does out here.
destiny. And if I do not, I shall not escape your hands. I choose not to do it, and to fall into your hands, rather than to sin in the sight of the Lord. Then Susanna cried out with a loud voice, and the two
Not very
elders
big, but
shouted
it's a
against
start
her.
and it's a largemouth.
Nice fish, dude.
Thank you, sir.
There's nothing wrong
And
with
one of
a
them ran and
late
opened the
December
garden
largemouth
doors.
bass. Well
When
done.
the household servants heard the shouting in the garden, and when the elders told their tale, the servants
At least
were
before the
greatly ashamed,
temp
for
drops, you
nothing
know.
like this had ever been said against Susanna, said about Susanna. The next day, when the people gathered at the house of her husband Joachim, the 2 elders came full of their wicked plot to have Susanna put to death. They said before the people, send for
There's
Susanna,
another
the daughter
crappie.
of Hilkiah, who is the wife of Joachim. So they sent for her.
Black
She
and
came,
blue.
her parents, her children,
So
and
now,
all.
since Shane caught that bass, we're gonna switch to the worm. See if we can get a
Now
bass on
Susanna
real quick
was a
before the
woman of
temps
great
drop.
refinement, and beautiful in appearance. Who doth
Nice.
discern what is
Shane
secret,
Singletary out here.
learns the spirit of
Second
all
bass.
where they come to be.
Nicer fish here. A little bit
Thou
bigger.
knowest that these men have
Using the
borne
weightless
false
worm.
witness
Chunky
against
belly on
me,
there.
Oh yeah.
and now I am to die.
Weightless worm, Chicagoriver.
Yet I have done none of the things
They're
that
anticipating
they
this
have
blizzard.
wickedly invented
Anticipating this storm
They're
on their
definitely,
feed bag.
I was just gonna, you beat me too. So they definitely
The
got the
Lord
feed
heard
bag.
her
Yeah.
cry, and as she was
But,
being
yeah.
led away to be put to
They're
death,
definitely,
God aroused the Holy Spirit of a young lad
definitely
named
on it.
Daniel.
Unless Jesus is looking out for
hey,
us.
I'll take that too,
With
man.
all this
Yeah, I'll take it, man.
holy talk.
I don't mind a little help from Jesus. Boom.
Nice fish.
Thank you, sir.
Turned to him and said, "What is that you said?" Taking his stand in the
Yes,
midst
sir.
of them, he
Good
said,
foot, not bussy. Like, they won't hit the thicker worm, but then I'll take like a little, good example is the robo worm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a real good one.
Robo one's real good.
Put on a small hook. There we go. Nice. Nice. That's he is angry, bro.
Yeah, he's not too happy about that.
He's a nice fish. Oh, yes. Woo, there we are. Beautiful late December largemouth bass. We are here fishing right before Christmas, Shane and I, and we are being gifted with some absolute beautiful Chicagoriver fish. What a beautiful fish. Thank you very much, Mr. Bass. Going in for the release. Yes. Nice largemouth here. A little bit smaller one.
A little large one.
Look, same thing, dude. It's so weird. Awesome fish. Right before Christmas, guys. I mean, just a few days before. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Ooh, Merry Christmas, bass. Go get him, go get him.
Hey, look, a little baby crappie.
Nice.
Little crappage, as normal, you know. Boom, boom. Cute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just trying to
Shane
get a
with
little bigger.
another
Right.
crappie.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a nice, very nice black Chicagoriver crappie.
Lord, that cheese.
With the snow starting to fall.
Yeah.
We're in a cold front. We got here in the 30s. It's about 31 degrees. That's when we got here. As we leave, it's going to be about 21 degrees. So quite a cold front, but we caught some bass, caught some crappie.
Feeling good, feeling good. Not a bad day over here at the Chicagoriver. You know, get out for a little crappie fishing. Always a couple bass is always an added bonus. We'll take that any time out. But yeah, we're gonna continue here, see what we can make happen. Fishy, fishy. Look at this. Look at it. Ooh. Should I save it?
There's something small. Little crappie. There we are. Little crappie. Nice fish. The temperature is dropping, like we said in the beginning of this video. We're going to be hitting about 21 from 30s. It is dropping. Steam starting to rise. Snow starting to fall. Blizzard December 22. Supposedly, from what they say, is on its way. Going in for the release. Oh, deep in there. There we are. Right in the tip of the lip. You can see these fish aren't coming in and killing it. They're not swallowing it. They're not attacking it completely, but right in the tip of the lip, you got to really work it. And you can see the few bumps on them. A few little bumps. Again, although extremely healthy looking, these fish are parasitic. This is all treated wastewater we're fishing. Please catch and release. Keep your safety a priority. Going in. There we are. Another little crappie. Really got to work for them today, but they are definitely all worth it. A little bit of snow flurries. Steam still coming off the river. Temperatures are dropping. Cold front. Fishing. Let's go. Nice. There's one right there. What do we got? What do we got? A rock bass. We're considering switching spots soon, but this is another beautiful fish. Chicagoriver. There's no fish on this cast. There ain't no fish in this river. Oh! Whoa! What do we got? Oh yeah! Oh, here we go, guys. Look at that. Little bluegill. Tribute to the Chicagoriver. They are reproducing on their own. That's awesome. Here we are. Another nice clean crappie in the flurries. Going in for the release. Almost went in for the fish. There's one. Ooh, another rock bass. Nice, healthy rock bass. Chicagoriver. No hookup marks. That's always exciting. Fresh fish going in for the release. Oh, god dang. God dang dong dang it. Hey buddy, I didn't even get a chance. All right, on to the next one.
Don't snap, don't snap. Oh man, it's cold, man. Not a bad one.
That's a really nice crappie. Not a bad one at all. Sorry. Oh wait, do I still got one? I don't know. Yeah, little rock bass. You wanna? Oh. Oh yeah, nice fish, dude. Look at that chain out. And that is gonna send us out today. Chicagoriver, Chicago, Illinois, North Shore Channel. Beautiful black crappie out here in the snow flurries. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to send this video to a friend. If they don't like fishing, I guarantee you they're going to start. Isn't that right?
Yeah, take them fishing. If they don't like it, they'll fall in love with it the first
Fall in love with it. Look at it. We're out here in the beautiful snow flurries. Feels like a beautiful summer day. Hear the birds chirping. It's a great day. We caught bass, crappie. Awesome day. Just on artificial lures. Nothing and no live bait.
Never live bait.
Never live bait. But with that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, send this video to a friend, and we'll see you guys next Friday every week of every month of every year. That's what geofishing brings to you. Peace.